take voices off. Make sure you're in your square. I'm going to, Samaj, have a seat. You'll do that later. I'm going to pick a person out of my stick. And whichever name comes up, I'll ask you to answer my questions. So make sure you're ready. Sitting crisscross, hands are folded in our... Thank you. Make sure you're in your square. All week, we have been reading the story. What story have we been reading? What story have we been reading, Zahara? The Three Billy Goats Gruff. And we've learned about characters. What characters are in Three Billy Goats Gruff, DeAndre? The Troll and the Three Billy Goats Gruff. What's the setting? What's the setting? Jerome, what's the setting in Three Billy Goats Gruff?
The setting is...
The setting is where the story took place. So what's the setting?
The setting is where the story takes place.
But what's the setting in the Three Billy Goats Gruff? Let me see who can help Jerome. Donovan, what's the setting?
Oh, where the story takes place.
Where the story takes place. But what's the setting in the Three Billy Goats Gruff? Oh, Daryl H. Only Donovan. The setting is in the meadow or the valley. What's the setting? All right. Yesterday, Ms. Diaz taught you problem and solution. What was the problem? What was the problem, Daryl S?
The troll wouldn't let the billy goats cross the bridge.
The troll wouldn't let the billy goats cross the bridge? So then what happened? What was the solution? What was the solution, Demetrius? What was the solution? Well, the problem, we know, Daryl S. told us, was that the troll wouldn't let the Three Billy Goats Gruff cross the bridge to get fatter. So what was the solution? What happened? Take your hand out of your mouth and speak clear. Who? I'm sorry, what? Take your hand out of your mouth. That's the troll saying that. But what was the solution? What was the solution, Fakia? What was the solution? Eyes on Fakia. Well, if the problem, we know, was that the troll wouldn't let the Three Billy Goats Gruff cross the bridge, then what was the solution? What did the big Billy Goat Gruff do? What did the big Billy Goat Gruff do? Push him in the water to get through. So what was the solution, Demetrius? Great. So all three Billy Goats Gruff passed the bridge. Well, today we are going to learn something new. We are going to learn how to retell a story. And we retell stories, DeAndre, we retell stories because if we read a story and we really think it's a good one and we want to share it with our friends or our mommy or daddy or TT and we want to tell them, oh, I read the Three Billy Goats Gruff today and I want to tell you all about it because you liked it so much that you want to tell somebody. So you read the story and you like it and you remember what happened and you want to tell it to somebody. So we retell stories using words like first. Good morning, Gary. Next. Oh, eyes over here. Then. And last. So we retell using these words. And I'm going to group my words. So we use first. We use this word first to retell a story. And then what else? What else do you think? Amari, what's the next word? Next. You're absolutely correct. So we use next. And then, where do you think this will be, Donovan?
After next.
After next. But I'm going to put it over here. Because this word we use first. And then these two we can use next or then to retell a story. And then what do you think what word comes after, Michael?
Last.
Last. So we use the word first. So first, the small billy goat tried to cross the bridge. Next, the second billy goat, the medium-sized billy goat tried to cross the bridge. Then the big billy goat tried to cross the bridge. And last, he knocked him out. And all three billy goats crossed the bridge. Well, today we are going to read this big, hands in our laps, show me you're ready to read. We're going to read this Three Billy Goats story. The Three Billy Goats Gruff, retold and illustrated by Janet Stevens. I'll wait for everybody's hands to be folded in their laps, Majay. Our voices are off. The Three Billy Goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were three billy goats, and their name was Gruff. They ate the grass in their valley until it was all gone, and they were hungry. That's the big billy goat, the medium-sized billy goat, and the small billy goat. The three billy goats Gruff knew that on the hill beyond the river grew sweet grass. But under the bridge lived a great, ugly troll with eyes as big as saucers and a nose as long as a poker. And the troll was hungry too. This is a ugly-looking troll.
That's a frog. That's a frog.
What to do? They're thinking what to do. So let's keep thinking. Let's think of our retelling words first, next, then last as we read. Well, first of all came the youngest billy goat Gruff to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. Who's that tripping over